Hey, happy homemakers, long time no see. I have been wanting to come on here and like make a video. I cannot believe it's been like, what, 4 months? Maybe 5 months? Did not mean to be away this long, but my other channel has been keeping me crazy busy. I'll be telling you guys a little bit about that throughout this episode, but today I had to get some housework done and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and film. I have filmed some stuff in the past and never gotten around to editing it for you guys. I'm just hoping if I start filming some stuff, eventually I'll have pockets of time throughout my week when I can edit it for this channel. So let me just show you guys what we're doing today and then I'll kind of chat with you guys in a voiceover as I'm cleaning. So as per usual, I have some dishes going on here. I took care of my bathrooms yesterday, so those are good. I have a little bit of junk on the table again. And then I have some laundry. Also took care of the laundry yesterday. Here's our puppy. Say hello. She's getting big. Her color has faded a lot. You can see she's a lot lighter. I don't know how dark she was last time you guys saw her, but she turned a year in November and it's May 2nd today. So yeah, she's like close to a year and a half now. She's a sweet girl. I sorted the girls' clothes, did some of my clothes. These are my clothes to hang up. There's some of their girls' clothes to take care of. And I do have another couple of loads of laundry, so we'll see what I get to today. I only have about an hour and a half before I have to pick the girls up. This is some of my laundry that I just threw in the bed, and as per usual, this is a mess. It was much, much worse, but I cleaned it the other day. Again, yesterday or the day before, I actually got a lot of cleaning done. So anyway, a little bit of mess in here. Again, same old stuff that I always struggle with. But mainly what I've been neglecting are my organizational projects, you guys. My pantry is so bad. I'll show y'all because maybe I'll get to this in a video coming up. But it is so out of control. And then that back junk room is out of control as well. So again, this is one of those projects that doesn't look too different when I'm done with it. But usually I'll have stuff in the wrong buckets and I get it back in place and it's better. But I don't know, it's driving me crazy even though it doesn't look that bad. Let's go ahead and get these dishes taken care of. I've been doing a high protein diet and I've lost quite a few inches, but hardly any pounds in the last 4 or 5 months. Well, I guess say 4 months of doing this, but I'm starting to see results. So I'm just trying to take a slow and steady approach this time around. In the past, I've always done fast things with quick results and then they're not lasting. So this time around, my hope is that I do it slow and steady route and it actually stays off and it's sustainable. So fingers crossed on that one. I feel like really, really good. Even though, like I said, the results are incredibly slow. I've only lost 5 pounds in 4 months, but I can definitely feel the inches. I am also trying to do a body recomposition. So I'm building muscle at the same time that I'm losing fat, which is always going to be slower than just trying to lose, you know, weight or pounds as quickly as possible. I'm trying to maintain my muscle, maybe even gain muscle while I'm losing fat. And so far, that has been, I have been losing fat and gaining muscle at the same time. So that's been incredibly successful, even though not seeing the pounds drop is hard, but all of my clothes are getting looser. So huge plus on that front. So just a little update on the weight loss journey for you guys. I am hoping eventually to be able to come back to this channel, but it's probably gonna require me making enough on the other channel so I can like pay for someone to help me with the research or something, because that channel is just so time consuming and I love it, but I'm trying to make that one a business so that I can help bring an income for my family while my girls are in school, and I'm doing it around their school schedule. So anytime they have a school event, I go and I take, you know, I'm not working on that day or I have less time to work that day. So it is a lot. They're very time consuming. They take a lot of time, but so anyway, yeah, I'm thinking this is gonna go up on May 8th, and as of today, my girls, this is like their last full week of school. Next week is just gonna be a partial week of school. So coming back to this channel right as summer is starting may not be ideal, because this is probably gonna be the busiest time because my girls, of course, will be here full time instead of being in school during the day. So we'll see how that goes. My plan for the summer is to get up at like 4 a.m. every day and just work until 9. And so I have the rest of the day to take them swimming and stuff like that. So that probably will only leave enough time for my other channel. But I'm hoping
to put some stuff in here, but I'm curious to know if you guys like short videos. Obviously this one's short compared to my normal. It's going to be less than 15 minutes long. But what I mean by shorts is like actual YouTube shorts, like TikToks and stuff. Do you guys like the vertical cleaning videos, or do you prefer these longer form ones, which is what you normally see from me? Because I've kind of played around with the idea of doing some shorts to just kind of keep this channel going, but that's not what this channel is about. I don't know how you guys feel about that, but just let me know. Typically I love to make longer, like 30 minutes to an hour long videos. I think most of mine were like anywhere from 20 to 45 minutes in the past, but I like making those because I can do like a whole day of cleaning and just, you know, condense it all down to an hour or less. Anyway, all that to say, let me know what you guys want to see. I'm hoping that I can at least get up one video a month on this channel. We'll see. I might have an influx of videos and then not have anything for a while, because I do have like random things that I filmed over the last 5 months and I just haven't had the time to sit down and edit it, because obviously I'm still cleaning my house all the time, even though I've kind of been neglecting my house a lot because of the other channel, because I will drop the girls off at school. I go walk with some mom friends for 45 minutes to an hour, and then I come home and work on it. Depending on the day, if I have any other errands to run, I get between 3 hours and 6 hours to work on it. The girls, of course, are at school for 7 hours, but I have a 30-minute commute there and back when I drop them off. So most days it's about 4 hours is my most days. Every now and then I'll get 6 hours in, but that essentially leaves me with only about 20 hours a week to work on this my history YouTube channel, but it is so time consuming. I honestly really need about 30 to 40 hours to do a video, but I try to rush it and get it done in about 20 to 25 hours. So I'm working on it on Saturday mornings sometimes, and I really am trying to only work on it when my girls are at school, and that means in the evenings after I get them home from school, you know, we're hanging out, I'm getting dinner cooked while we're chatting and doing homework, and I try not to do any YouTube work in the evenings, but I will get up early on Saturday mornings and work on it. So it's just been a process of trying to figure out how to fit everything in. I honestly feel like it's a full-time job, because it actually is like having a part-time job, the 20 to 30 hours, but it really feels like a full-time job because I'm always rushing home to try to get as much work as possible done. And then, you know, I get my walks done in the morning. Sometimes if I'm researching, I can walk on the treadmill. I did get a treadmill desk to be able to do that. But, you know, then I have to do my weights, which I have like a 30-minute a day weight workout routine. And I do that a lot of days after Aaron gets home, after we eat dinner, or right before we eat dinner, while, you know, dinner's in the oven finishing up or something. We'll both do our weights workout. So it just meant that my days are jam-packed. So it feels like a full-time job, but it is just taking all of my extra hours, if that makes sense. So anyway, I love this channel because I don't put as much pressure on myself. I just show up and I'm myself. The other channel, I try to look professional. I'm trying not to take myself too super serious. I try to make it obvious to people watching that I'm not a professional. I'm not a historian, but I just love history. I like telling history stories. I like learning history. And I'm not even somebody who knows a ton about history. I a lot of times look up to be like, oh wait, exactly what year did this thing happen? You know, I'm not some crazy history buff that knows all the dates and all the battles and all the things, but it's just been, it has been a lot of fun, but it's been a lot of work. And this channel is a lot of fun for me because I just show you guys what I'm actually doing on a daily basis. And it just flows into my life more naturally as a hobby. And so I love doing it. I miss the creative outlet of it. I miss chatting with you guys in the comments. And it really does motivate me to get stuff done around my house. Like, it's been the biggest thing to get me into organizing. And it's what made me realize I love organizing, because I was always intimidated by organizing. And I'm not saying I'm an expert or I'm great at it or anything by any means, but having this channel is what makes me tackle projects when I don't want to do them, which is why none of the projects in my house have gotten done. I really need to take care of that back junk room that I've cleaned on camera several times, because it's supposed to be like my podcast studio for recording the History and Hearsay channel, but it's also our office and our storage space in the closet, and the girls have taken it over with their art supplies, and I keep getting their stuff organized and they keep coming in there. The art cart was working well for a little bit, but then we had some items that were outside of their reach and they got moved back down to their reach, and so it's been a disaster ever since. But even more than that, I need to clean up my closet, because I don't know, I think maybe this is normal for girls, because every time I talk to someone about it, they're like, yes, me too. But if people at least who struggle with their weight, I have like, I don't know, 4 to 6 different sizes in my closet. And so I have a closet that's bursting at the seams with nothing to wear, you know, typical. But I bought a few organizational items last week, so maybe I'll do that on camera for you guys. If I have any time in the next couple of weeks, I would love to get my closet done, because Hot Mess Express. Next week it's going to be crazy because my younger daughter is graduating from kindergarten, and then we have award ceremonies and field day, and you know, then they're out for the school year. So we shall see how this all goes. So I ended up stopping halfway through washing the dishes to go get my weights workout in, because on this particular day I remembered I wasn't going to be able to do it in the evening. I don't remember why now, but we had something going on and I wasn't going to be able to do it. So I got that done, and then it was time to go pick the girls up. So you guys probably saw in that clip just a moment ago, Erin walked in while I was washing dishes, because what I did was I stopped in the middle of washing dishes. I ran and got I did my workout. Then I ran and got the girls. I came home and finished up those dishes. And then I really just wanted to get this laundry finished. And after that, I called it a day. I hope you guys just enjoyed this quick little catching back up. And I hope I will see you sooner rather than later. I do still need to make a review on that Tenco like vacuum mop thing, I don't even know what it's called. I gotta figure that out before I make the review video. But anyway, I really want to get that out, so that might be the next thing you guys see if I have some time, because I really just got to put all my clips together and record a voiceover for that, because I've been recording myself while I'm using it just so I can see how I liked it. And I've had it since like Thanksgiving time now, so I've had a while to really like be able to tell how much I like it. So anyway, that'll probably be what you guys see next, but then hopefully after that I'll have a closet clean out. I do love doing closet clean outs when the seasons change, because, you know, obvious reasons, you're putting in new things in the closet or pulling out the sleeveless tanks and stuff like that. But I did again buy some stuff off of Amazon to organize, like some of those hangers for organizing your pants and stuff like that. So I'm excited to put that in my closet and hopefully go ahead and get rid of some of the sizes of items that don't fit me. It's a constant struggle. Anyway, it was good catching up with you guys. I hope you'll stick around. I apologize again for not posting, but I really do want to keep this channel going because I just love it so much. It's such a fun hobby for me. So anyway, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.